Mastercam 2022 introduces the new Overflow UV function. Located on the Surfaces tab in the Flowline group, Overflow UV generates a single unified surface with a desired UV flow on a connected set of surfaces. It allows you to replace multiple surfaces with inconsistent flows with a single surface for use with Flowline toolpaths. You can also simplify surfaces for general modeling. Select Overflow UV from the Surfaces tab and select your flow surface. After confirming your selection, Overflow UV generates a single NURBS surface from your targets, covering small gaps and holes. By default, the function trims the target surfaces to the boundaries of the overflow surface. If you wish to keep the set of surfaces, use the Trim Target Surfaces option to project a new surface upon the set. The function panel allows you to change the visualization of the UV flow lines and how the flow surface is projected onto the target surfaces. By default, the function uses the current construction plane to project the flow surfaces onto the targets. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.